This 5-minute solution will show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. Open your Steam and click on the search box and type here Rocket League. Search for Rocket League and here you will get Rocket League. Now from here you can easily download and install it. And the second method is go to your browser and open this website g2g.com, and once you're here click on the search box and write here Rocket League. And here you will get this Rocket League PC Steam. So click on video games and here you will get the Rocket League Steam key global. Click on it and here you will get product info, product details, and here you can see don't buy if your Steam regions is US, Canada, Australia, Euro and UK. From here you can buy this Rocket League Steam key. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.